Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Nutmeg. Review my usage experience. Nutmeg Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for users to leave reviews and ratings for various products and services. Its main purpose is to help consumers make informed purchasing decisions by providing aggregated reviews and ratings from other users. The target audience is anyone looking for trustworthy reviews before buying something online or in-store. Key features likely include user-submitted reviews, star ratings, and potentially filtering options. Their website provides details on specific features. Nutmeg Review positions itself as a reliable and unbiased source of consumer feedback. Their website emphasizes ease of use for both reviewers and those searching for product information. They claim to have strict guidelines to prevent fake or spam reviews. Pricing is free for users, with potential revenue streams from businesses wanting to monitor their brand reputation. Availability is worldwide, accessible through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Nutmeg. Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply signed up using my Google account. The interface is clean and intuitive. Finding reviews for specific products was simple using their search bar. I particularly like the option to filter reviews by star rating and date. I was researching a new blender, and Nutmeg Review provided a helpful range of opinions, highlighting both pros and cons from different users. I even found a detailed review that addressed a specific technical issue I had been concerned about. I had a quick question about reporting a potentially fake review, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which sometimes made it inconvenient to check reviews on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Nutmeg Review. It's a valuable tool for researching products before making a purchase. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive filtering options. That's my overview of Nutmeg Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.